What's up? Welcome back to our channel Pretty Little Things. I'm Shaurya.
And I'm Akriti.
So what are we doing today?
Well, I read a lot of comments in which you guys are asking what products we use on an everyday basis, makeup products. So we thought of showing you guys what affordable makeup products we have which we use on a daily basis. Also, there's a huge sale at Nykaa, so which is from what date to what date?
It starts on 13th, so it's already started, and it ends on the 26th.
So you guys can go there, check out all the amazing offers going on and can buy these products.
So we'll talk about all the products stepwise. So the first step that we do is cleanse our face, for which we use
Kaya. So this is Soothing Cleansing Gel by Kaya, and I've been using this for over 2 years now, and I religiously use this. Every time this gets over, I'm gonna go and get it again. Why I like this is because, you know, for over a period of time I've been using this and my oily skin has visibly become less oily, and this does not contain any soap, so it's soap free, so it's really good for your skin too. This is what it looks like. So you can just open it from here, press it and take it out.
and it comes with a pump, so that's another good part.
Yeah. Okay, so now that I've cleaned my face and it's all nice and pretty, what do we do next?
Next we move on to moisturizing, for which we use the Plum Aloe Everyday Moisturizer. It has vitamin E in it and also aloe vera. So you know, aloe vera in summer especially is amazing because it soothes your skin, it's very calming, and this is what the product looks like. So what next?
Next we have a BB cream. Well, on a daily basis we do not want to put a high coverage foundation on our skin and, you know, just sit with a beauty blender every day and do all that on your face. So what we do is we use a BB cream which is called a Beauty Benefit Cream. This one here is from Garnier, and what it does is on a daily basis you can just, you know, put it like a moisturizer on your face. You can start in circular motions from the inner side of your face towards the outside, and it helps to even your skin and, you know, remove any pigmentation which you have. So yeah, this is what it looks like.
So the other thing that you could add to a BB cream if you think you need a little more coverage or to conceal those dark circles or a pimple, this is what we go for. This is the L'Oreal True Match Concealer, and this is how it looks like.
So there are days when we want to look extra pretty, so we use a foundation too. And what foundation is that?
This one is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Foundation. This is a full coverage foundation, so you really don't require a concealer with it. This is what we use when we need an extra coverage, and this is how it looks like. To set that base, we'll move on to compact, and we have two options for you.
One is this Makeup Revolution Protection Palette, and this is amazing because I think it's like a one-man army for everything that you need, and it's easy to carry because it's got concealer, it's got compact, bronzer, blush and highlighter all in one, so you can just carry it around and do everything all together. This is what it looks like.
So if you're not that sort of a person who uses a bronzer or a highlighter on a daily basis, you could use a normal compact. This one is from Maybelline. It's the Dream Satin Compact, and it doesn't feel cakey on the face or too heavy. So it's perfect for those summer days where you want to head out. This is what it looks like.
Oh, we have to tell them about that blush we use on an everyday basis. What is that?
That is the Colourbar Pink Blush. It's in the shade Pink Pinch. It's a very pretty pink, and it's perfect for an everyday blush on your face. It gives you a very nice flush of pink color, and this is how it looks like. So moving on to eyes, we both like to carry this small eyeshadow palette. The one that I have is the Maybelline Diamond Glow. I like this because it has nude shades and a very pretty highlighting shade there. And which one do you have?
Well, I use this one. It's called Color Sensational Topaz Gold by Maybelline again. And why I use this one is because it's got this really nice dark shade, plus black is also there, and I love doing my eyes really dark. I especially use black a lot. So yeah, you can use either this one or that one. So this is what these products look like.
So if you're wondering if we use this on a daily basis, no, we only use this at times where we want to dress up with it. So moving on to eyeliners, we have 3 options for you. Do you want to talk about this one?
Yes, so this is Maybelline's latest launch. It's the Hyper Matte Liquid Liner. This is amazing because it's matte. So yeah, it looks amazing on your eyes, and this is what it looks like.
Next one is this liner by L'Oreal. This is from their Infallible range, and this gives a very smooth application. It glides on your eyelid very smoothly and stays on you all day long. This is how it looks like.
So guys, in eyeliners we showed you a liquid liner, then a pencil tip liner. What else do we have?
So the last option that we have is again from L'Oreal. This is their felt tip liner. The tip of this liner is very thin, so it will help you give a detailed line, and also it will help you draw a perfect wing line. This is how it looks like. So for mascaras, we have two options for you. That one is,
It's Maybelline's the Magnum Barbie Mascara.
and this one's the L'Oreal Fall Slash Butterfly Mascara. Both of them are waterproof.
And these help you give nice volume and length to your lashes.
And I'm pretty sure she uses that because it's pink.
Yes! So these are what the products look like.
Moving on to lips, we have two lip balms for you. This one is
From the Body Shop, it's in the strawberry flavor and it smells amazing! You can just smell it all day long, it's crazy good. The only
and you want to eat it too?
Yeah, it tastes nice.
Yeah, it does. It actually does. I don't know why, it tastes nice too.
So I was saying why this is hard for me to use is because I always have long nails and I have to poke it inside and take it out and put it.
Oh, okay. I have a solution to that.
What?
You could use a Q-tip instead. Just dip your Q-tip inside and use it on your lips.
Oh yeah, we can do that. Anyway, so this is what the product looks like. Okay, so what do you have?
I have the Natio Shea Butter Lip Balm. If you've seen our previous videos, you would know that I'm a religious user of this lip balm. It gives very nice and soft and supple lips, and I use this on a daily basis. This is how it looks like. So next up we have 6 lip color shades for you which you could wear on a daily basis. We'll just swatch them for you one by one.
Alright, so the first one right here is from L'Oreal Paris, and this is a really pretty shimmery gloss. So this one is from the Star collection, the color Riche Naomi's Delicate Rose, and it's a very pretty, nude shade, so you can use it every day. This one is one of my favorites is because this Maybelline Super Stay 14-hour lipstick saves it all because it stays on your lips all day long, and I love this shade.
This one is from Colorbar. It's from their Take Me As I Am range in the shade Tango Pink. It's a very pretty pink and I usually wear this quite often. Next up is this very pretty hot pink from the L'Oreal Star collection. This one is the Sonam shade and it's very pretty. Then I have a lip shade from Lakme. It's from their 9 to 5 range. It's called Coral Incentive. It's a very pretty corally nudish shade which I've been loving lately.
So guys, next up we're only left with nail paints, and we have this set of nail paints from Nykaa, and this is their 4th anniversary collection. Why I love this one is because it's got all the shades which I normally use. A dark navy blue or a black nail paint, then you have a red one, then you have this wild berry one which I've already put on my nails, and then there's a nice pink shade. This is what it looks like, and this is the shade which I have put right now.
Or if you're someone who likes neutral colors and light colored nail paints, then this one here is from Nykaa. It's their nude collection and it has a very pretty color range with neutrals in it, and this is how it looks like.
So guys, there are these 2 really pretty nail paints which we thought we should tell you about, and this one is from Lakme Color Crush. It's in the shade 23, and if you're one of those girls who like nice neon popish colors and you want to put it on and have these nice nails which stand out, this is a perfect coral color for you, and this is what the product looks like.
So the color that we use the most is pink, and I have this one from Faces. This is a very pretty hot pink and this is how it looks like. So we hope you guys liked today's video. We tried to show you guys what all we use on a regular basis, and if you're wondering where you could get this from, you could get this off Nykaa at an amazing deal.
So yeah, as we mentioned, they have amazing discounts and sale going on, so you can just log on to their website and check out all these products.
So the winner of our Coriolis giveaway will be announced on 24th June on our Instagram account, so make sure you follow us there.
And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Pretty